If you're serious about staying healthy, you need to hear this. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness. So what can you do to give it a natural boost? Let's start with some powerhouse foods. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are vitamin C superstars. They help increase white blood cells, your immune system's frontline soldiers. Don't forget red bell peppers, they pack even more vitamin C and beta-carotene. Broccoli is another all-star, loaded with vitamins A, C, and E. Garlic and ginger. They're not just for flavor. Garlic has allicin and ginger can help reduce inflammation. Spinach is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Yogurt with live cultures is great for your gut health, and almonds are full of vitamin E. Sunflower seeds and turmeric, both are potent immune boosters too. Green tea's flavonoids and papaya's vitamin C are also great additions. But it's not just about food. Healthy habits play a crucial role too. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and maintain a healthy weight. Stay up to date on vaccinations, get 7-8 hours of sleep, and manage stress through meditation or yoga. Don't forget to drink plenty of water and consider probiotics for gut health. Recap: eat well, exercise, sleep, and manage stress for a stronger immune system. And remember, small daily habits can make a big difference. Like what you heard? Hit like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy.